Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here's your daily 5-minute tube update for Bitcoin today, maybe 6-7 minutes, but I will hurry, I promise guys, we have some things to talk about, so let's start this analysis. And yes, of course, we are starting with CoinMarketCap. We can see Bitcoin is going down a little bit, 0.7% in the minus in the week, 13.5% in the minus. Ethereum is going down a little bit more as Bitcoin on the day, but not on the week, only 9% in the week only. The Binance coin is going down a little bit in the week, only 6%, but Solana in the week, 24%, and the most coins here are bloody red, you can see it, guys. In 24 hours, we can see the biggest winner is Celsius, 13% in the plus, Quant 7%, IOTX is going up with 6%, and the biggest loser is Wax, Tezos, and Voyager Token. In 7 days, the biggest winner, Near Protocol 10%, Terra Luna 5%, and BitTorrent 5.5%. Biggest loser, Qtum, Phantom, and Tether. They're going down really hard here. So the Bitcoin dominance is going up a little bit, 40.5%, and the Ethereum dominance is going down a little bit, 21.6%. We have here extreme fear in the market, 24 points extreme fear. Yesterday 29, last week 31, and last month's greed with 75 points greed. So if you're watching on Coin Codex, you can see everything is bloody red here. And Bitcoin, let's check the price prediction for Bitcoin. What is telling us this one here? The prediction is, let me check it, here it is. The prediction is telling us, okay, we are maybe going up here a little bit more, 50,000, 50,200, down again, 49,000. So this prediction is telling us we are maybe going sideways on the next 7 days. And if we are watching this, 72% bearish, and 28% bullish. This is not so nice, guys. Not so really nice. What's going on with the end of the year? Maybe we can see 55,000 with 13% in the plus. We will see. And let's check, guys. They are predicting us to January the 9th, 65,000 maybe, 34%. This would be a really nice move to the upside. Next, 34%. Yes, this would be a really nice move to the upside. So what's going on here? This one here is maybe the next thing we need to watch. So we can see our last all-time high here was on 64,000. We saw a big downtrend after this, a double bottom. After the double bottom, a sideways here, a triple bottom, a quattro bottom, and after this, a next move to the upside. Now, maybe the same picture. Maybe we're also going down again to 41,000 again. And after this, the next leg to the upside, maybe we are buying a double, triple, quattro bottom, and then the next leg to the upside. We will see. So here's the technical analysis. Tradingfees is telling us on the day we should sell Bitcoin. 4 hour, sell Bitcoin. 2 hour, neutral. And the 1 hour, we have a buy. Yes, we have a buy. Okay, short time frame, we have a buy. Big time frame, we should sell. No technical advice. So here's the Bitcoin dominance, and you can see we are for the moment going down 40.9% here. The Bitcoin dominance is going down really bad in this parallel channel to the downside here. And you can see we are fighting with the ribbon band again. And you can see the big thing here. I told you the middle line here, 40.5% is holding for the moment. And it's always the better time to trade altcoins as Bitcoin, but we saw now a little leg here to the upside. We need to break through the ribbon band. This would be a really nice thing, but for the moment, the Bitcoin dominance is going down. That doesn't mean that Bitcoin, the price is going down, but the Bitcoin dominance is going down, guys. So here's the last picture from yesterday. If we are watching this, you can see the 1 hour time frame. I told you some things, guys. We need to watch this green line. It is the support line, 47.400. And what can we see? The support, hold it here. It was the pivot support point. And if we are watching today at the pivot support point, what can we see? The next support point is on 46.6. 46.6. So let me check this one here. This is the next support. So if we're going down here more and more, attention, this is maybe the next pivot point. It's also the middle line, depends always where we'll hit the line here. So attention, 46.6 is the next big support if we are going down here again. And it's possible to go down here again, because let's zoom in. What's happening now, guys? You can see we are fighting with the ribbon band. The good news are we see a confirmed closing candle over the ribbon band in the 1 hour time frame. This is good. But you can see this bad red line here. This is our resistance for the moment, and you can see Bitcoin is reacting really hard for the moment. At the resistance, we saw a spike up again. Now we are buying maybe the next red candle. So we need to break through this resistance. This is really, really necessary, guys. We need to break through. We need to make more confirmed closing candles over this red ribbon band. And what else can we see here on the downside is our Fibonacci 0.236 with 48,400. This is now again our nice support. And what is this, guys? It is a W pattern for the moment. So maybe we can see a price movement to 50,000 again, because maybe this W pattern can play out to the upside. We need to watch it. It's maybe not the baddest thing. 50,000 is possible here. Guys, this is the quick update for the day. Today, 6 minutes. Okay, I promised 5, but it are 6 minutes. But all these things are really necessary to watch if you are trading Bitcoin. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings, and very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Guys, I need your thumbs up. I need your comments. Please give me a nice comment. I need it for YouTube. Guys, bye-bye. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye, guys.
System activated.